So today I'm going to show you how to make this amazing sawdust pie. It's called sawdust pie because it kind of has the texture of sawdust. But trust me, you will love it. I'm going to start by making the crust, so add 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour to your bowl. I'm using a stand mixer, but you don't have to. Then add 1 stick of cold butter chopped into cubes. Then add half a teaspoon of salt. And half a cup of cold water. Mix it up and knead it till it comes together. For the filling, we're going to start with 7 egg whites. One and a half cups of sugar. One and a half cups of chopped pecans. Then 1.5 cups of shredded coconut. Then 1 pack of crushed graham crackers, which is also 1.5 cups. Then mix it all together. Then I rolled out the dough for the pie crust. Put it on a clean, lightly floured counter. Don't forget to spray the pan. Then lay your pie crust in it and trim away the excess. I had extra dough, so I made a smaller apple pie. Back to the other pie. Pour in your filling and smooth it out. I saved a little bit of the pie crust dough and made a heart to put on top. Then I went around the heart with whole pecans. Then I sprinkled chopped pecans around the edge. And I put sugar on top of the apple pie. Then I put them both in the oven at 325 for about 40 minutes, or until the inside reaches 165. The apple pie took way longer to cook and get crispy. This is how it turned out. Let it cool a little bit before cutting, but still serve it warm. We had it the next day, so I just microwaved each piece. The first piece is always really hard to get out. Put little stars of whipped cream all over it. Then put a layer of thinly sliced bananas on top. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. I post a new video every Friday. See you soon!